Good morning, Tiana. It's Aislinn Renfro here. I know we spoke yesterday about assignments and pacing, and I touched base with my principal and Miss Cochran and Courtney Fisher just to get some suggestions and what we could do to get Amanda and Annalise back on pace. Because it's very important that we do, because they have state testing at the end of the year and we need to prepare them. So after talking with Miss Fisher, she said that the girls had both done Epic Ed last year and that they were very successful. So I know that it's possible. I know we can get them where they need to be because they've done it before. I know the Bez app is a little bit different, but I just wanted to show you kind of the plan that I have set up. So this is Amanda's Epic Ed agenda that I shared with you guys. I will share it again in the email, but on this is kind of like where you can check progress and see where she is. This is Annalise's. So Amanda's, it's got our login info, Prodigy info, how she logs into Prodigy. She wants to work on typing.com. Her scores for the beginning of the year, reading and math, and kind of her schedule for the week. So every day both girls need to be working in Prodigy for 20 minutes a day. It's good math practice, and it's going to help them to fill in those gaps on the things that they need to, we need to have extra practice in. Lexia as well, they need to be logging into Lexia every day, 20 minutes a day. That's going to be practicing their reading skills. Epic Ed, they need to be logging into Epic Ed every day and working on their work. Now, I know that they are going to be doing some offline work, but we need to make sure that they are doing the assignments that are offline, and you can send me those pictures as they get them done. But I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. So this is their pacing for right now. You can see that right before fall break, we had very minimal progress, and right now we're at 9% in language arts, 6% in math, and we haven't done any science or social studies. And for Prodigy and Lexia, they have not been logging in. So we need to work on that. But I did adjust it to where I went and looked where they are right now in Epic Ed. So as of right now, Amanda needs to be working on topic 4 in language arts, topic 3 in math, topic 1 in science and social studies, because she has not started those. And then Prodigy and Lexia, they should have 100 minutes at the end of the week for both of those programs. Again, to get to Prodigy, she can click on this link. Here is her login info. And then for Lexia, she will click into, I know hers will look a little bit different, but Lexia Core 5 is in her Clever. So they'll just click on it. It'll start the assessment. As soon as they get in, don't tell them it's an assessment, but it is adaptive. So it will, Lexia will see where they are and give them instruction that's on their level. So as they get that done, I will check it off. I think I put the check marks in Annalise's. Let me make sure. I will come check it off as they get it done. I guess it's not there. And then if we haven't done it for the week, then we will touch base and have to come up with a plan. But this is very, very important that we get them on track. I know they're working in Spectrum workbooks. I know that you're doing science projects with them, which is amazing. but we really need to be working from their core curriculum to make sure that they are, both Annalise and Amanda are getting the instruction that they need that's on level instruction for third grade. And so I did want to touch base as well. I was going to walk you through the Epic Ed just to show you what I'm talking about. So for topic 4, language arts, I'm going to go to Annalise's. This is Annalise's Epic Ed. So let's go to her. I'm logged in as Annalise right now. I'm going to go to her language arts activities. So you can see that she's done most of topic 3. So that's why I want her to start with topic 4. If you don't know how to get here, let's see, let's go to home. You would just click into language arts and it'll take you to the activities. So we are going to go to topic 4. Each lesson is a day. Okay, so you'll go do lesson 1 for Monday, lesson 2 for Tuesday, lesson 3 for Wednesday, lesson 4 for Thursday, lesson 5 for Friday. So she has some gaps to fill in here. That's why I started her with topic 4. She did not finish her Fridays, so I want you guys to start here. I can absolutely take a few of the assignments out, but it's really important that they're working on it. So for example, the writer's choice board, or a lot of these things will be in the offline workbook. You can find it in the offline workbook and you can do it offline. Absolutely. But I need you to send me a picture once they do it. Okay. So, like I said, each topic is a week. Each lesson is a day. There will be multiple assignments in each lesson. And then one other thing I wanted to point out, the IXL, if you do an IXL assignment, make sure before they click on that they are logged into IXL. So they'll come to their Clever page, click on the IXL icon, and then click on that assignment so that will save their scores. They will want to, let me go ahead and click on it. They will want to get to a SMART score of 80. So you want this right here to be a SMART score of 80. So every time they answer a question, it will go up or down. If they get it correct, it will go up, and if they get it wrong, then it will go down. So we want the SMART score to be a score of 80. And then this learn with example is really great. If they get to the practice and they aren't really sure what to do, look at the learn with example. Sometimes we'll have some videos like tutorials there too. So like I said, I know that the goal is a lot more offline work, which I absolutely support, but some of it will have to be online because what we're doing right now, clearly it's not working. So we just want to make sure that we get them back on pace, that we prepare Amanda and Annalise. I know that we're concerned that some of their scores might have gone down, but I think this is probably a big indicator of why, because we're not seeing the work right now. So Tiana, let me know if you have any questions about this. I know that's a lot, but every one of my students has one of these agendas, but I wanted to tailor it to Amanda and Annalise so that they, it's a little more, instead of percentages. I thought that this might be more helpful if we just have it sorted by topics. Okay, I hope you're having a great Friday, and let me know how I can help.